the Fisher Valley Academy. All right. Let's welcome up here on stage. We've got the Amboys crew.
Get ready for the dance moves of the Amboys crew.
Now's the time, can't make it wait. It's your life, don't hesitate. Living more, it can be great. Don't waste your time, just live your life, Don't waste your time, just live your life,
Jumping into the future, jumping into a new day, jumping into a new you, jumping into a new way, jumping into a new light, jumping in things that you like. It's time for you to be great and jump into a new place.
Jump into life, jump into love, jump into life, everybody jump into life.
Sa mga pangutana. Sige lang, kumusta na? Good AM, good PM, miss you. O may pabalik-balik na mga messages.
Gusto na yun mo lahit ako. Sige, magpayunik ka. Naliman na ka.
Ocean to coast to the moon, run to the sun while the bass don't boom. Get it from the young fool. Give me more food, cause I'm getting my food. Sisters, cooking up soul food. Heroes go kill, city in the town, suburbs to the hood. With the squares of the land, bumping on backwood. Dropping on the ones, so it's understood. First snapback, so you know where I sit.
Now what is this for?
Yeah.
signature nyo na yung mga high tosses and jumps para kayo mga cheering squad. Alright, so, sino ba ang leader ng Amboys crew? Hi bro, parang hindi ka sigurado. Alright, try to catch your breath bro. What is your name?
Rodmine. I-O-U-M-E-R-N.
Okay. Marunong naman ako mag-spelling.
Yung iba kasi may bar o walang L.
Sino yun? Sino yung kayo? Sila lahat. Alright, well, having said that, alright, I'm gonna pass the mics. Mukhang malalagutan na ng hininga. Stretcher! Alright? Please, of course, introduce your names. I'm sure there are a lot of people out there who want to know who you are. Starting with you, sir.
Kapalog. Kasi,
Ang good, hindi kisingit ka, Jesse.
Sabi ko ako. Luigi.
Hindi pa, wait, para sa...
Vincent. Tila George.
Tila George.
Tigo. Tilma Isbara.
Alright. Out of all of you guys, isang tono lang yung natanda ko. Bro, ano ulit pangalan mo?
Wala ka kasi.
Ano ulit?
Oji.
Kadali. Pinabato ko. Kumakanta ka ba? Okay. Rockstar tsaka Pax. Kumakanta ka talaga? Gusto nyo ba ng sample? Sample! Okay, ayaw daw nila. Hindi nga dito, sige. Husky kasi yung boses mo eh, di ba? Yung mga boses na ganyan. Natural talaga eh. Parang pinanganak ka pa lang, yung ibang bata. Ganun ikaw. Siguro pinanganak ka, husky na talaga. No? Sige, sampulan mo nga kami. Palakasin ka naman lang na, sample!
Sample! Sample! Sample!
Okay. Patapos mo kami paasahin, sasabihin mo biro lang. Yung totoo. Sige, ayaw. Sige, huwag natin treated. Hindi ako mapiling na tao. Alright. Well, you guys call yourselves the Amboys Crew. Bakit Amboys Crew? Mga Amboy ba kayo?
Kasi yung pangalang Amboy, kinuha namin sa Amerika dahil
Oh, really? I'm sorry. You didn't tell me you came from America. Really? Oh, so please go on. Yeah, English, please. What? Sorry?
actually, even though
So, yeah, actually, even though, go on.
even though
What? Sorry? I don't understand Tagalog. Please say it in English.
hindi rin ako marunong mag-English.
But I can't believe it. You guys are Amboys, right? You got it from America.
Amerika, pero dito kami pinanganak.
Dito kayo pinanganak bilang isang Amerikano. So ano ka ba talaga? Amerikano o Filipino? Italiano daw. Half Ita, half Bicolano. Ano talaga? You know what? I'm confused because I believe that the children are our future. You gotta teach them well and let them lead the way, right? Yeah. And you know, like rolling in the deep, right? Like, you know, Adele?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go on and talk in English because I'm sure you guys don't understand Tagalog. And you know, I'm just gonna interview you. Is that okay? So what do you want to happen now? Speak Tagalog. Di mo naman sinabi. Sige, mag-Tagalog na nga tayo. Okay! Huwag ka nang Bisaya. Ako naman magdudugo yung ilong. Alright, sige bro. Gano'n na kayo katagal sumasayaw as a group?
3 years.
2 years? About 3 years. What? 2 years. 3 years. Okay, call it
hindi.
High school pa lang? Yun, totoo. Lumahagis-hagis na kayo doon, tapos high school pa lang kayo?
High school po kami.
Parang hindi naman. Wala. Okay, pasto. Tinanong ko kanina yung mga kalaban nyo. Sabi nila, feeling nila sila daw